Hi everyone, welcome back to Slate Secrets YouTube channel. My friends, after months and months of trying to get this product, I finally have it. Finally, I have the P.Louise Eye Shadow Base. It is time to see what all this hype is about. Yes, I could have ordered this product online, but they have so many different colors. I had no idea what color would have fit me best. So I went to the P.Louise website to do some research. According to P.Louise, the best base color for me was a number 5. On the website, it says if you're MAC NC45, get number 5 base. At the Morphe store, I sampled the 5 and the 6 base, and I felt that both of those colors were the best that suited my complexion. Based off of the description, the 5 is for neutral undertones and the 6 is for yellow undertones. So I know for my complexion, I have yellow undertones. However, my foundation is for neutral undertones. I do wear NC45 as a highlight from MAC. So today I'm going to use base number 5 instead of base number 6. This should give my eyes a nice highlight. On P.Louise website, they do say that you can use this base to clean up your eyebrows. I'm just going to apply it as an eyeshadow base, so baby steps. I already have my product that I like to clean my eyebrows with. My LA Girl Pro Concealer has yet to fail me. No matter how many times they have changed their formula, this baby works great for me. But anyways, let's go ahead and try this product. So let's put this on my hand because I don't know what I'm getting myself into. Oh, this base is nice. It's very rich and thick. So I have to say, I like the coverage on this base. I feel like the color is a little bit more pink on me. It's not as yellow as I would like it, but again, this is for neutral tones. So that's probably why it looks more pink. I like the coverage on this product. The consistency of the P.Louise is very similar to my LA Girl Pro. It's not too thick, but it's not liquidy at all. When I applied it on my hand, it wasn't runny. So far, off to a good start. Let's go ahead and do the other side. Based off of what I've seen, I think that this product might be able to blend nicely with other products, but we are still going to test it out, so stay tuned. So far, I have both of my eyelids primed with the P.Louise base. I actually like it a lot. I am feeling the coverage for sure. After application, the base began to crease on my eyelids, so I reblended the base on my eyelids. But when it was time to apply my eyeshadow with this base, the eyeshadow blended beautifully and very easily with this base. I'm using one of my favorite eyeshadow palettes from Dose of Color. This base is holding the color very well, resulting in a more pigmented look. I'm in love. I really like how that looks. Wow. I see why there's a lot of hype about this product. This is a really good base. Oh, it's like the eyeshadow melted on. I have sensitive skin, and surprisingly, so far my skin is working very well with this base. Oh, I am in love. Guys, I am loving this base. It is so smooth. Like, I didn't see any hyperpigmentation on my eyelids. This literally gave my eyelids a full coverage look, and it blended beautifully with this eyeshadow. Like, my skin is not cracking at all. This is amazing. This primer applied beautifully. Like, this is so pretty. This base is helping this eyeshadow color stand out. Like, it's not washing out the color at all. I am very happy to have found another product that doesn't make me break out. Like, some products, my skin will instantly crack. My eyes inflamed instantly. But this did nothing. Okay guys, so I have my lashes on, my eye makeup is done. I'm loving the end result. Everything just blended beautifully with this primer. I am very happy with the end look. Oh my goodness. My skin isn't cracking, nothing. My eyelids look absolutely perfect. I am a happy customer. I look forward to only buying this in the future. Like, I will use this item on all of my clients if I get this end result. I will buy every color. This is exciting. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was super helpful. Give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to be subscribed to Slate Secrets YouTube channel. I will see you in the next video. Bye.